welcome to my class with me, Miss Vera. Right now, we are going to learn about factors. To begin with, let's find the factors of 6. The factors of number 6. To find the factors of number 6, we need to find out the pairs of numbers that give 6 as their product. Let's start with 1 times 6. Another pair, 2 times 3. So 6 is the product of 1 and 6. 6 also is a product of 2 and 3. There are no other pairs of numbers that give 6 as their product except 1 and 6, 2 and 3. So the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. Okay, let's try to find the factors of another number. Find the factors of 36. It's the same way. We need to find out the pairs of numbers that gives 36 as their product. We start with 1 times 36. 2 times 36 divided by 2 gives 18 as the quotient. So 2 times 18, 36. And then 3 times 12. So you notice I wrote 1, 2, 3. After number 3, 4. And then 36 divided by 4, 9 is the quotient. So 4 times 9 is 36. After number 4 is 5. But 36 is not divisible by 5. To prove it, we can count over here. 36 divided by 5, 7, 35, minus 1. It gives 1 as the remainder. So 36 is not divisible by 5. So I will not write 5 over here. After number 5, 6. Number 6. And 6 times 6 is 36. Now you notice over here, it's 6 and back to here, it's 6 too. So we can just stop. We don't have to keep trying to look another pairs of numbers that gives 36 as their product. So the factors of 36 are, we can start with the smallest number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Now you notice I wrote over here 6 times 6. But in the list of the factors of 36, I will just write 1 time of 6. So next, 9, 12, 18, and 36. Okay, let's try to find the factors of another number, the bigger number. So find the factors of 54. Again, the same. We need to find out the pairs of numbers that gives 54 as their product. And we need to start with, yes, 1 times 54. And then after 1, 2. 54 divided by 2 will give 27 as the quotient. After number 2, number 3. So 54 divided by 3, it's 18 as the quotient. So 3 times 18 is 54. After number 3, number 4. But 54 is not divisible by 4. We'll count over here. 54 divided by 4, 1, 4, minus, and then 4, 3, 12, minus 2. it will give 2 as the remainder. 54 is not divisible by 5. You can prove it over here. 54 divided by 5, 1, 5, and then minus 4, 0 times 5, 0, and then it will give 4 as the remainder. Because 54 is not divisible by 4 and 5, we will not write it over here. After number 5, 6. And then 6 times 9 gives 54. Number 6, number 7. 54 is not divisible either by 7. You can prove it by count over here. 7, 7, 49, and then it will give 5 as the remainder. 54 is not divisible either by 8. So 54 divided by 8, 6, 48, and then it will give 6 as the remainder. Because 54 is not divisible by 7 and 8, we will not write it over here. After number 8, number 9, and you notice I wrote 9 here already. So after 6, 7, 8, and then 9 back to here. Then we don't need to look another pairs of numbers that gives 54 as their product. We can just stop and then write the list all those numbers. So the factors of 54 are, start with the left part, smallest number 1, 2, 3, 6, and then go back over here on the right side, 9, 18, 27, and 54. Okay, so I hope you guys understand how to find the factors of a number. Actually, I made notes for you. Here are the points to remember when you learn about factors. Point number 1, the smallest factor of every number is 1. So here I wrote the list of the factors of 32, 63, 84. You can see 1 is the smallest factor of 32. 1 is the smallest factor of 63. Also 1 is the smallest factor of 84. Point number 2, the greatest factor of a number is the number itself. Again, I wrote examples over here. The factors of 32, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. The greatest factor of 32 is 32. And then the greatest factor of 63 is 63. The greatest factor of 84 is 84. Okay, now the third point that you need to remember is the factor of a number is always less than or equal to a number. Again, the same thing, I made a list already. The factors of 32, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. They are all less than 32 or equal to 32. And then it's the same with the factors of 63. They are all less than or equal to 63. Here, the factors of 84, they are all less than 84 or equal to 84. Okay, so I'm going to explain to you also about common factors. Now, a common factor is a factor of 2 or more numbers. To find the common factors of numbers, we need to list the factors of those numbers first. So here we want to find the common factors of 15 and 45. Then we have to write the factors of 15 and the factors of 45 first. Since I wrote already, you can see the factors of 15, 1, 3, 5, and 15. The factors of 45, 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, and 45. Then we can just circle numbers that are factors of 15, also factors of 45. So here 1, 3, 5, and 15. Now you notice those numbers are factors of 15 and also factors of 45. So the common factors of 15 and 45 are 1, 3, 5, and 15. Here we want to look the common factors of 32, 64, and 84. Again, we have to list the factors of 32 first, list the factors of 64, and the factors of 84. Since I made it already, we can just take a look which number that the factors of 32, also the factors of 64, and the factors of 84. So we are going to circle 1, 2, 4. Oh, now you can see 8 is a factor of 32, 8 is the factor of 64, but 8 is not a factor of 84. So we will not circle number 8. Also, number 16 and 32. They are factors of 32 and factors of 64. But 16 and 32 are not factors of 84, so we will not circle it. Okay, so that's it. So the common factors of 32, 64, and 84 are 1, 2, and 4. Okay, since only those numbers are factors of 32, 64, and 84. Okay, I hope you guys understand how to look factors of a number and the common factors.